How I fill my humidifier. I had a half-inch stub out to water my plants, except my softened water goes through it, so I couldn't do that. It would have killed the plants in the sunroom. But the humidifier prefers softened water, so it worked out perfect. It goes to a reducer to a 1/4-inch plastic tubing with John Guest fittings. There's a reducer, and that there is the gun that I actually use, and I can fill a 3.5-gallon humidifier probably in under a minute. A lot of water pressure, and that's it. Again, this fills it real quick. You're not moving a bunch of water back and forth. Real easy to fill.